Hello my fellow chef knives enthusiasts! I've got something special to show to you. This Tsukasa Hinoura river jump Santoku. Tsukasa Hinoura represents the third generation of his family. As a young craftsman, his role models were Nagashima and Shigeyoshi Iwasaki. I love that this knife comes in this beautiful kitty box. Most of these high-end unicorn knives do, so here we go.
Beautiful!
Yes. This is so beautiful. Feels very nimble, it's pretty light. Balance point is right where you want it, at the pinch grip. The spine has a nice taper to it. That Damascus pattern on a kuru-uchi finish you never see anywhere else but on a river jump knife. At least not to my knowledge. I've never seen other knives with Damascus on a kuru-uchi finish, like on top of a kuru-uchi finish. A Tsukasa Hinoura river jump definitely is a one-of-a-kind example of the Japanese knife making art.
And what he specializes in is torsional Damascus. So what he does is he takes Damascus and he twists it around as he does stuff with it so that it gets this kind of cool river flowing pattern.
I have my fair share of beautiful Damascus knives, but this is something different. With his river jump knives, he has taken Damascus knives to a whole nother level in my opinion, because he combines a multi-layered Damascus steel bar with a solid mono steel bar.
You are to combine the two in harmony.
So when he forged the steel with this multi-layered Damascus combined with a mono steel, it results in this extraordinary beautiful blade in which the river-like flow of the Damascus alternates with the piece of a perfectly even surface.
It is a successful combination of both.
So you have this nice contrast of Damascus steel with this mono steel and then again Damascus steel in perfect harmony. That cladding flowing right all over the blade. It's just different.
Your knife nerd brain is just different too.
That is like taking a method that is used by so many blacksmiths and take it a step further. My hat off for Tsukasa Hinoura for coming up with this river jump concept. Using torsion to create this unique flow and pattern on these blades. It's amazing. Yeah, this is a usable piece of art. You have the kuru-uchi finish, you have Damascus. It gives me this Kasumi vibes. It has a little bit of shiny mirror polish on the edge. There are so many beautiful things happening on this blade, but it isn't loud or it doesn't like overwhelm me. It's all in perfect harmony. It looks as calm as sitting next to the river and listen to its water flowing. The river jump might be the visualization of that thing that Bruce Lee always said.
I said, empty your mind, be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
This knife is like water. It literally flows and it's in harmony. It has beauty, it has its rough edges. This combination of a rustic but very, very elegant look is just so... It's very impressive. What I also like about this knife, other than the beautiful river jump Damascus, is this beautiful geometry and shape of the handle. Tsukasa Hinoura knives usually come with this signature shield-shaped handle. I have a Tsukasa Hinoura rainbow Damascus knife in my collection, and the first thing I noticed when I bought this knife is that it has this beautiful shaped handle. Next to looking beautiful, it also is quite comfortable. I'm loving these handles on Tsukasa Hinoura knives. Yeah. Hey, river jump. Oh, I wish this was my knife.
And I wish somebody would adopt me.
Hopefully my day will come. A river jump nakiri is on top of my bucket list for sure. Almost impossible to get, I know, and to be honest, any river jump knife would be welcome in my collection, even a Santoku. But preferably, if I would ever get the chance to buy myself a river jump knife by Tsukasa Hinoura, it would be a nakiri, or a gyuto, or a peti, or a Santoku. Doesn't matter. As long as I get my hands on one, I will die a happy man.
Oh, you will most certainly die. I'll personally take care of that.
Kevin De Leo, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to make a video with this knife. Just the fact that he trusts me with this knife is a reason for me to be very grateful. And it gave me the opportunity to show this knife to you as well. So I guess we all need to thank Kevin De Leo a little bit.
Thank you!
Anyway, this was it for today. As always, thank you for watching this video and the support that you give to my channel. See you in the next one. May the forge be with you.